to my channel. It's Rachel. I am so sorry that I have not gotten a video up earlier this week. It's been one of those weeks. But today's video is going to be about the Fabfitfun style box that I have been meaning to get to you guys for a while. So some delays in the videoing because my son has been ill and with some sort of viral vomiting thing, and so I haven't really had time to get to videotaping, unfortunately.
And I was coloring my Hatchimals on a chart.
All right, so let's get into this so we can keep this video nice and short. There will be more videos coming later this week. I meant to do a bunch of taping tonight, but it'll have to kind of happen over the next few days. I also didn't get to the post office today like I had hoped to mail out those prizes, so I'm hoping to get that done either Friday or Saturday to my two winners. I have all your info, just have to get it in the mail, and I meant to do that today, but can't take a puking baby with me to the post office. All right, guys. So if you don't know about this, this is Fabfitfun does a styling. It's very similar to Stitch Fix. It's a $20 styling fee. If you keep anything in it, the $20 goes towards whatever you style. Please sit down, baby. If you keep all 5 items in here, you get a 25% discount. If you don't, and you send everything back, you lose your styling fee. What are you doing? Okay, can you stay right there? Okay. So anyway, you can tell them as often as you want it or as least often. So I have it where I just tell them when I want a box. So I don't get this as often as like my Stitch Fix. I keep on a like pretty regular thing where they schedule me. This one I actually go and say, okay, I'm ready for one. So this is my, I believe my 3rd box, and I'll probably do another one in another month or so. All right, so let's get into this. Obviously, I've already made my decisions. I decided to keep everything in this box, so let me show you guys. So they always do a little card here, and they talk about how she got me some jeans, and just generally talking about stuff in the box. Tess is my stylist in this case. Then they always do a little thing here where they talk about all the clothing, and then obviously here's my Alice, can you please sit down over there? Thank you. It's been a long day, guys. This is you get your $20 styling fee back, and then you know the discount to keep all of them is $67. For everything it was $183.25. All right, so at the end, if I have time, I will try things on. Excuse me one moment. All right, guys. First thing I saw in the box was this, and this is really interesting. I didn't know what to think about this. This is a necklace, but the case for this is really cool. I've never seen anything shipped like this, but I love it because it keeps your jewelry from getting all tangled. This is an 18 karat gold plated double pendant layered necklace. Honey, you're making yourself winded. Why don't you go over there? Because it's really loud. And it's really cool. So it says here, push. And then basically it opens this up, and this is the necklace. It's a double pendant here, really pretty. So if you can see the styling there, it's got like a hammered pattern, and then on this part down here, it's also a little hammered, and then each one of these little links is hammered. It is adjustable. It's really cute. I really do like it. So this was $44 full price, which is on the expensive side, but it is really pretty, and I do like it. All right, next item here is something, and I forgot to turn these inside out. I did try these on, obviously, because I already decided what I was gonna keep. I think I got this box like a month ago, and I just haven't gotten around to videotaping this for you guys. This is the Mia toothpick cut from the cloth jeans in size 10. These are my most favorite jeans ever. Like, absolute favorite. I love cut from the cloth Mia. I forget, there's another name for them for Stitch Fix, but effectively it's the Mia toothpick. And the only thing I didn't absolutely love about these is they are distressed, which I am not a huge fan of distressed jeans, but these fit amazing. They're stretchy. I love them. I have had nothing but good things with this type of jean. And so, Alice, honey, you're strangling me, baby. So anyway, I was super excited to see these. These are in the medium wash. They're $89. I don't mind spending that for a good pair of jeans. All right, next item here. Again, sorry guys, everything is like inside out in this box. So give me a second. This next item here, okay, you go. Bye, baby. Is a Lazy Sunday in size medium. This is called the, let me see what this is called. The Doris Surplus Long Sleeve Top in Heather Gray. This is $44. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is through the camera. It's got like this crisscross pattern. The only thing I don't love is it's long sleeved. I think they're predicting that the heat index this weekend's gonna be like 102 here. So obviously I got this about a month ago, and for Texas, we're hot. So I probably won't get much use out of this until the fall. But this is really, really nice. I loved the fabric, and let me see if I can tell you guys what the fabric is. It is a 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It's hand wash cold and lay flat dry. Now I will tell you 90% of the things that are hand wash, I just throw on gentle cycle in the washer and then lay flat to dry. So as long as it's not dry clean, we're good. So that's that. All right. Next item here is the cross front everyday top in charcoal in the size medium. And this is what the top looks like. This feels nice and spandexy, almost like a workout top, if that makes sense, like that kind of smooth feel. This is by Geely. I have some other clothing from previous box subscriptions by this company, and I do like this company. I love the cross detailing. It is on the shorter side. And let me see what the fabric is on this and everything for you guys. So 96% polyester, 4% spandex, machine wash cold, gentle cycle, and flat dry. So cute, cute, cute. I love gray. If you guys haven't figured that out by now, gray. I like gray on me. I love gray. So gray's great. All right, the last item here is the side twisted rib knit dress. Is $54.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Can you put the video until I finish this so I can show them?
You can come back in a little bit and show them, okay? All right, guys. This is the last thing. This is the dress that has the little side knit. This is by Skies Are Blue.
Look at how my chart is coming.
Very nice. Hey, baby, you can come back when I'm trying it on, okay? Anyway, this is really nice. It is a shorter dress.
I can show it on the video.
Yes, ma'am. This is in a size large, which I do appreciate because in dresses I tend to need a little bit larger size. I am 6 foot. This is $54, and it is, you can see it's kind of got that ribbed pattern with it, but it's very lightweight. This is going to be good for the summer. The only thing I don't absolutely love is the neckline. I tend to be not a huge fan of this style of neckline. I like either more scooped or V-neck. I just find that it's a tad bit more flattering, but it's not the end of the world. All right, let's see. This is 70% modal and 30% polyester. Modal is one of those synthetic materials. I think it's like either bamboo or one of those other things that they make it out of. It's kind of a fancy term for like rayon. This is hand wash cold and hang to dry. So that is everything. I'm gonna pause now and put these on and show you guys each of the pieces, and then kind of tell you why I decided what to keep out of this box. Of note, if you decide to send anything back, they do send you a little thing here. The only thing to note is they use FedEx. Stitch Fix uses UPS. I'm not sure if some of the other clothing box subscriptions. I really only do these two because between the two of them, I have more than enough clothing. Maybe I'll try a different one another point. But anyway, just keep that in mind. So you're dropping these off to the correct postal service and not getting charged a fortune. But anyway, I'm going to pause and then I'll come back and show you guys the outfits. All right, guys. So here is the first one. This is the dress. This is the item I was least excited about. And this is why. I don't love the neckline. I don't think it's bad on me. I'm going to scooch back so you guys can see the length. So it is pretty short on me. It's very comfortable and airy and light. But other than that, it doesn't look bad. This is adjustable. So you can pull this out and do it tighter or looser, which I do appreciate on that. So you can do it just kind of a little bit more swag there. This item I kind of only kept because I liked everything else, and I thought for the price, it was cheaper to keep this to send it back. But I'm not absolutely in love with this, but I definitely could use it for like business meetings and other things. All right, so I'm gonna pause, put the jeans on and the shirts and show you guys that. All right, here's the next shirt. So I love this shirt. I was a little worried it was gonna be too short, but it's actually not too bad on the length. Love this detailing. Love how it just fits. It's very comfortable. This is like a great everyday shirt. Let me show you the jeans on the length. So if you guys can see, those are the jeans. I love how these jeans fit. They have a nice stretchy band. And so the thing about the cut with the cloths is they do stretch out a little bit as you wear them. So I don't mind that they're just a tad bit on the tight side because they're brand new wash, but they look really great. They fit like all my other ones. Love them, love them, love them. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the last top. All right, this top surprised me when I tried it on. I wasn't sure, but I really like the detailing on the neck, and it actually lays quite nicely. It's very comfortable. Like I could totally pull my sleeves up and wear this in the fall. And I think it's a great top for work. All right, I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back. All right guys, so that's in conclusion. So yeah, I was really surprised about the cross top, and I really loved the other gray top. The jeans are just a complete go for me, and I loved the necklace. The only thing I didn't care for a ton was the dress, but it was $55. To keep everything was $64. And so to me, it made more sense to keep it. It was actually $10 cheaper than to send it back. Now, I guess I could have made the argument of sending maybe the necklace back, and then it would have been cheaper to send both back. But those are things to take into consideration when you do these kind of boxes. I do like this. I think they're doing a pretty good job for a fresh styling box. I think Stitch Fix is still probably my absolute favorite. She's telling me she's almost ready. Anyway, I think Stitch Fix is still my favorite. I've been doing that for 5 years. I've just have a good track record with them. And so it is the one that pushes me out of my comfort zone. But I love the fact that they sent me the brand of jeans that fits me well. I just wish they were not, I wish they didn't have the worn out knee. I don't know why. I don't love distressed jeans that much, but I'm so happy that there are jeans that fit me. The problem with distressed jeans in general is I can't wear them to work when I go for business meetings, and I like to wear jeans to business meetings because, yeah, anyway. All right, guys, I am rambling. Stay tuned. I will try to get out a video this weekend. I'm not sure what video it's going to be because the boxes are going to keep coming in this weekend, and here comes... Oh, she's going to show you guys. My subscription boxes should be coming in. I have some...
These are all my underwater Hatchimals. They're my newest ones.
Anyway, guys, but I don't know if it'll be at one of my unboxings, or I have a couple of palettes I want to review for you guys that I've been playing with. It'll be one of the two. Stay tuned. And when that gets up will probably be Sunday, and then Monday we have a special video coming. Stay tuned on that. And then whenever my Stitch Fix box finally arrives, we'll be doing those. I may do extra uploads next week depending on how my schedule goes. But oh, my Stitch Fix box should be coming in beginning of next week. I'm super excited. All right, guys. Well, or not Stitch Fix, Fabfitfun. I can't talk anymore. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share this video. Tell me what you think. Do you like these clothing unboxings? Would you like to see other companies? I can try a few others out. But yeah, anyway, all right, guys. Bye.
Bye.